This is my cell city. So for my cell city, I did an animal cell. So for the cell membrane, I chose a city border because I just felt like the city border kind of monitors who and what comes in and out of the city, just like a cell membrane would do for a cell. Um, so next up is the nucleus. So for the nucleus, I chose the town hall, which is basically because that's where like the whole city would get their power from, because that would be like where the mayor's office is, I think, and where like all of the different city events would be thought of and stuff. So next up would be, let me see what I did next. So next up is the road. For the road, I did the endoplasmic reticulum, and that's because the endoplasmic reticulum kind of transports the proteins all throughout the cell, kind of like a road would transport a car throughout the city. So I just felt a connection there. And then for the post office, I chose Golgi complex. So the Golgi complex distributes like packages and distributes different parts of the cell back into the like the cell parts, so like different parts of proteins and stuff. And then next, I did ribosomes. I'm not sure how you say it, but I did a garden for that because that's kind of where the protein is held. So I put like plants and fruits for protein and stuff in the garden. And then next we have the recycling plant. So like the recycling plant, I did a lysosome because that's kind of where all like the proteins and stuff gets recycled into energy and protein and glucose for the plant cell, or for the animal cell, sorry, for the animal cell. And then next, we did a mitochondria, which produces energy for the cell. And so I thought energy, caffeine, coffee, Starbucks. That was basically my thought process for the whole thing. So I chose a Starbucks for the mitochondria. And then for the cytoplasm, I did a sewer because that's where the cytoplasm basically takes all the waste matter and breaks it down from the cell, just like a sewer would do. And then last, we have a vacuole. So a vacuole basically stores food and water just like a supermarket would do, to distribute back into the cell. So thanks for watching.